Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to register as a group for your school's digital fest event. So first log in into a mobile app, and then on the bottom left side you will see a more menu. Click on it. So you'll see a digital fest menu in the menu list. Click on it. Now you will see digital fest page. Now click on the register now button to register for the event. Click on register now. Now select your competition type to which you are about to participate. For example, if it's animation, documentary, or film, select it. Now enter the topic of your project. So if it's an animation, documentary, or film, write the topic of your project. Type it, and below select your project type. Since it's group project, select group. Now you have to add your teammates. So click on add teammate and select your class to search your teammates. So select the class of your teammate, search his name, and select them. So you can't select a student who are already registered in another project, and also you can't select more than 2. The total number of students for a group project is 3, so you can only select 2 students. So select your 2 teammates and then provide description of your project, which is not mandatory. So if it's necessary, or if you want to add any description about your project, add it in the project description. You can also clear your all teammates and also edit teammates when you need. And then click on register now to register for the event. You can also add this event to your calendar by clicking on add to calendar, or else you can close it. So after you have registered, you can see your project details, you can view your members, you can see that the invites are pending, and when your team members accept their invitation, the status will be changed to confirmed. So this is how you register for a group project. Now let's see how your teammate will accept the project invitation. So I'm logging in as the teammate which you have sent the invitation. So once the student who has received the invite logs in, they'll get a pop-up message like this to join the project which you have invited. So click on join now. Now you will see the details of the project again. So click on the view project invite. Here all the details of the project will be listed here, and the student can check the team members, and he or she can accept or decline the project invitation. So now I have accepted the invitation. I have clicked on accept, and now I have joined the project group. So you can see the third student haven't accepted, so it's still in pending. So this is how you register as a group project.